making an MC4 connector that I have to connect to this end. So I'm making the male. So I stick it in So now I take my end, shove it on. Double check, you see that? Sometimes you hear it click, sometimes you don't. So now I have to push for this piece that went all the way underneath. Right here. Screw this on. And it connects to this cable, and I just run the rest of this reel out that direction and then put them in conduits and get them down off the roof. So I just thought I'd show you how to make a MC4 connector.